Welcome to the Magnitude RB34. Yeah, it's a 4x4. Our 2-minute tour shows off your living area. You have the option of this couch, or if you'd like, theater seats. And right across, this always versatile Dream Dinette. And what's great about this is you can set it up all fancy like this for meals, but it also makes right into a bed. And we need to go to a wide shot here to show off the size of the kitchen. This is fully equipped. And look at all that room. You get a residential fridge, a convection microwave. We are talking solid surface countertops, sink covers, even that flip-up countertop extension is solid surface. And down below, all the storage you need for a fun trip. You have a gas and electric cooktop, a pop-up outlet, so plug in a tablet and follow along with your favorite cooking show. I like that you can enter the bathroom from midship or the bedroom. You have a shower with glass door, and naturally everything you need out of a bathroom is going to be right here for you. This is also a bunkhouse model where the bunks flip up into a closet when you need that space. The RB34 offers up a queen bed. You have large nightstands and all the ports you need to keep devices charged. And because you wanted it, right behind these beautiful louvered doors, the RB34 comes prepped for a washer-dryer combo. Since you'll be spending a lot of time behind the wheel, you're going to love the features up front. You have Ford Sync 3 with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM, and all the safety features you could ask for. These adjustable pedals are a very cool feature. It is fun time outside. You have a well-equipped exterior kitchen. You have shade from the power awning. There's a TV, a soundbar. It's like your own drive-in theater wherever you want it. The Power Stroke 6.7-liter turbo diesel has 330 horsepower, 825 pound-feet of torque. You got four-wheel drive, a 10-speed transmission, a 10,000-pound hitch. This Magnitude is taking you and your gear everywhere. 100 watts of solar charging comes standard. You have 4G on board. This is the Magnitude RB34. Need more Magnitude? Visit thormotorcoach.com.